More than just simply taking care of it, the habit of keeping your house and routine in order and organized tells about how you live your life, and even says a lot about your thoughts and your mind. Did you know that? And a small happiness, although small and simple, is seeing your pans and kitchen sink shining. Can you relate? Besides that, stainless steel can be found in most homes, in stoves, fridges, cutlery, appliances, utensils, and many other objects. But with time and lack of correct cleaning, both stainless steel and aluminum can lose their natural shine, and sometimes can even rust. This kind of material requires special cleaning care, otherwise it can get scratched and spotted. So if you want your stainless steel and aluminum cookware shining and looking fresh and new, make these special recipes. Did you know that vinegar is great for cleaning? Vinegar is used to season foods, but it can also help you clean your house. It works well for cleaning because of a chemical reason: its high concentration of acetic acid. This substance removes grease, disinfects, shines, and gets rid of smells. Isn't it amazing? So, to remove dirt from aluminum or stainless steel pans, you can put some water and 4 tablespoons of vinegar in the pan and boil it. Wait for it to cool down and wash it again with detergent as usual. Now, if you want to learn how to make a polishing paste, write down the ingredients below. 1 bar coconut dish soap, 2 teaspoons sugar, 4 teaspoons white or apple vinegar, 17 ounces hot water. Directions: grate or cut the soap into small pieces. In a pan, combine the grated soap, water, sugar, and vinegar and let it boil in low heat until it dissolves and becomes a paste. Remove from heat and wait until it cools down a little. Pour it in a glass container wide enough to fit a sponge so you can apply it on your utensils. Once the mixture cools down completely, it will harden and become a paste. If you want to improve your paste, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, which has antibacterial and degreasing action. If you want to use it, add it with the other ingredients in the pan. See how practical it is? The advantage of using a homemade product is that it yields way more than the industrialized versions we find at supermarkets, and they are also cheaper and very efficient for cleaning. Try one of these recipes at home and you won't need to sweat to make your kitchen shine. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.